What's going on, B Nation? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. We're outside today, getting some fresh air and opening up a watermelon. So, breaking a fast, breaking a high water fruit fast. Let's take a look here. Let's open this with you guys. Ready? Oh yeah, check that out. It's awesome. So the high water fruits, like your watermelon, oranges, grapes, even cantaloupe, some of those high water fruits are really good for fasting. I really love short fasts, like doing a week of grapes, a week of watermelon. Let's get into this puppy right now, see how it tastes. Not bad. So I'm breaking the fast with just more fruit. So I'm just going to be bringing back in more bananas, mangoes, and that's basically how I break the fast, is just with more fruit. And I'm still going to be doing watermelon juice because it's so good with the lemons. It's the bomb, baby. And yeah, you just kind of follow what your body tells you, especially when you're breaking a fast. Know when, kind of how much to eat. If it's too much on your digestive tract, you may have to slow down. But really, it's really just following what your body tells you. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna get more into the grapes. I'm really missing the grapes and my berries and my bananas. So I'm gonna share a lot more about what I'm eating. There's a lot more to come on that. Stay tuned, and hope you guys are doing well. So just a short video, just say hi and just an update on how I'm breaking this watermelon fast, just with more fruit. All right, guys, see you in the next video. As always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some fruit today. Cheers.